Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Come test drive the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Are you